How to create a Betway account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I will simply teach you how you can create a Betway account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to create a Betway account, first of all, you have to go to the official website, which is betway.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Once you go to betway.com, on the top right hand side, if you do have an account, you can click on login, or else to create an account, you just need to select the option called sign up. Once you click on the sign up option, here there are a couple of forms that you need to fill. The very first thing you have to do is to simply choose a username for your Betway account, and then after that simply go ahead and then create a password, and make sure to again re-enter your new password to confirm it if the password matches. And then after that, make sure to enter an email address, then just click on the next button. Once you do that, make sure to enter your first and your last name, and also make sure to choose your date of birth right over here respectively in the year, month, and the date format. After that, choose your country of residence and then click on next button again. Once you've done so, make sure to enter your address line 1, 2, and make sure to also enter your city. Once you enter your city over here, make sure to choose your state, region, and then enter your phone number as well. Once you've done that, make sure to enter a daily limit and then a weekly limit as well, and then a monthly limit if you want to set that. Choose your preferred language, choose your currency if you want to, and then agree to the terms and conditions. If you want to get in free bets, you can also select no welcome offer. Agree to terms and conditions, you can choose all of these options and then just click on the register button from the bottom of the screen. And once you've done all of those steps, you'll be able to successfully create a Betway account. That's all it takes to create a Betway account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.